Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back and I have another mixed plate haul for you. So a bunch of smaller orders have been coming in, so I just want to share them with you. Okay, so first up is my order from Amazon. So I found these and I have another, I think I have like silver coming in, but I wanted to get some like gold spacers that have the wider hole so that they can fit on pens and so forth. So I got that. And then I did get a set of these Hello Kitty. I want to use them for pen toppers, but I might use them for others. I don't know that I'll use these. These are like a married couple, you know, for weddings. I'm kind of past that stage. But I do like this one, and this is kind of why I bought it, is because I'm trying to do a Hello Kitty Japanese swap. So I like the fact that they're in kimono. So I got those two. She is also in kimono. Look how cute she is. I'm hoping I can put these either on pens or something else. Some of my projects. These are just, she's not like in any kind of Japanese outfit. She's just in regular outfits. And then this one, she's like, oh, she has like a umbrella, but it looks like it came off. I have to glue that back on. Anyway, I thought that those were kind of interesting. So I picked that up. And then I also got... this came, I think this came with the Hello Kitties stickers. And then I got this set. So this is actually a KS Crafts die, and it's so that you can make your own paper beads. So at first I was like, I would never use that. And then I thought about it and I was like, you know what? I think I would use it to make washi beads. So I'm going to try die cut them, and then and I'll probably try to make beads out of my washi paper to go on the pens. Because I figure if you're making your own, then you can decide how big you want the hole. So I'm going to try and make some of those. So that's my Amazon haul. Okay, next up, I did order from the DIY beads and things or something like that. Sorry, I can never remember the name of their site. But it's a group of sellers, and they sell mostly... larger bead, like, you know, for pens or things to make pens. But I thought this was really cool. So it's a pinwheel, but you can add it to those spinners. And so I got a set of these. So they come in various colors, as you can see. I think these are the main colors that I got. So super cute. Put that away after. And she sent me like a free gift since I ordered that. I think this is really cute, actually. I don't think I've ever seen these beads before. If I can find these again, I probably will buy them. And then there's this cute little charm. So that's really cute. Okay, I bought from a new seller from that same group. And she also has her own group that she sells in, so she directed me to that group to see if I was interested in anything, because I guess she gives the guys on her site first shot and then she goes to this other site. So I actually found a lot that I wanted from her, so she was really great at helping me with that. And she said she was going to go look for some Sanrio stuff for me. So this is, and I think it's like called Pen Playground or something. So all of the beads on here should be able to go onto a pen, I think, including this. Okay, so this is a snowflake. So there's a large hole. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a large hole right there. So that should fit on a pen. And I was gonna order this, I think, from AliExpress, but since she had it, I just ordered it here. And I do like the fact that they're like a AB finish. So I got a bunch of those. And the other thing I like about these is you can glue on another smaller cabochon in the middle. So I got that. I did get a set of these really cute Christmas trees in a light blue AB finish. So I got those. And then I got some cute Hello Kitties. These are focals. And then I got these, like a set. She just had it all in here. So I was trying to separate them out. See, so here's another one I missed. This was like, I think, a free gift, but it cracked. This was a free gift, which I really like. It's a gumball machine. So you can add on one of these beads. Let me show you. You can add on one of these on top. Oh, maybe that's too small. Maybe the bigger ones are better. Like that. And it looks like a gumball machine. Cute, huh? And then, so I think I got a set of these like crackle looking ones with the AB finish. And then I got some of these glittery ones. And then I got some of these like peppermint ones. I thought those would be cute for Christmas. So that's, oh, and then she, I think this was a freebie because I don't think I would order eyeball. Okay, so that was all from, oh no, one more, sorry. So I did get this. And I've been using a lot of these beads. And I have no idea where I got them from before, but they're larger, whole, smaller size beads. And I've been using them a ton with all my Sanrio stuff. And she even had these flower ones. So I decided to pick up a set of this to kind of replenish the stock. So that's all from that DIY and Pen Playground and all the Facebook groups. And then I did order from Rhoda. She is Nifty Crafty Me on Instagram. So I hardly get her stuff because I always like am late. But I finally was able to get some of her already beaded, like she makes her own. Look how nice her work is. Like mine doesn't come out that nice. I really liked these. I got 2 of this. They're really like longer dangle bows. So I got 2 sets of those. And then I got a set of her candy canes. And the really cute gingerbread man. So these are just cabochons. They're not beads. So are these. And then she gave me a free gift, which are these pineapple charms. And then I got this stuff from Ebony, who is the Rosette Guru. So I think this is a free gift. These are really cute bags. Here's her cute logo. So cute. And I was too late to the game, but she let me buy from her anyway. So, and I missed out on the one I really wanted, which was the cute gingerbread houses, but hopefully she'll bring those back in and I can pick up more from her. But in the meantime, I saw these really cute Mickeys, and these are beads too. So I don't know if you can see the hole, but hopefully I can put these on some pens or keychains. Look how cute that Mickey face is. Oh my gosh, I really like that. They had Minnie too, but I just kind of wanted Mickey. And then I got a set of these cute light pink AB finish. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, I did get some of these smaller gingerbread guys. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, I love these. So thanks, Ebony. And thanks, Rhoda and Katrina. So anyway, I've just been buying a lot of stuff here and there. So I can make more goodies. And I do have a play date this weekend, so hopefully we can play with some of the new stuff that I got. I think that's all I have for you in this video. I'm going to come back with another Temu haul. This is the last one that I placed in August, and I don't know that I'm going to place any more in the near future. I gotta relax because I've been buying a lot. I have to kind of use up what I want. Anyway, that is all I have right now. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.